You see, everything looks pretty normal, right? Nothing out of the ordinary. Haha. I'm gonna try to film a video today. I put new badges on the car, so I'll show you that, but let's go wash it because that bitch is dirty. You're in my little wash bay. It's honestly not that dirty, at least the roof. But the rest of the car is I feel like half the time that I'm even with this car, it's because I'm about to wash it or I'm putting gas in it. I don't care about these wheels, so I'm not washing them first. And we're almost at the worst part about washing your car. And now we're here, drying the car. I've seen videos of people that have like those high-powered leaf blowers. I should invest in that. But luckily these two towels are honestly really good. They're from Blackline Car Care. They do their thing. I don't know if I can do this with one hand. Not really. We have arrived at the film spot. I feel like I haven't been in the sun in 3 months because Canadian winters are just dark and gray and ugh. But let's talk about what's new with this thing. Starting with these badges. These are like custom made from Toronto Carbon. I had the black and white ones on here before. These have like a carbon fiber and this like blue pearl finish. I think they look sweet. I've been berated many times for changing my badges from OEM. I think you can see the blue in there. It's cool, it kind of matches the M on the back. I got blue calipers as well. I like them. Now, what else is new? I also just got my stage 2 high pressure fuel pump from Dorsch Engineering. So kind of excited to throw that in. I'm waiting on the Pure 800 Turbo. Should be here soon. And then I got to figure out a clutch upgrade. I was going to do a clutch out of a 550i because apparently that's rated for like 600 torque. But I've also been told that it's probably going to start slipping after a few months and that I might as well just go with like a proper stage 2 spec'd clutch. Now, another thing that's new that I actually did myself, which is rare, is on the back of my car. Let me show you. You see, everything looks pretty normal, right? Nothing out of the ordinary. Ha ha. Wait, hold on. Oh. Sometimes it takes a while, or not a while, but a few seconds to like come back on. But yeah, this is like a Vanish plate by Vuzi Studios. It's held on by really strong magnets, and then the wire goes through there, which I like fed through my trunk. And this is kind of dumb. The M4 and the M3s have a different like way to feed the wires through. You really cannot fit wires through here. This thing is so jam-packed. I also just washed the car so that there's some soap there. And then I'm gonna reorganize this, but yeah, the wire basically runs in and it connects to your battery. God damn, this is dirty. This is my little DIY to make sure no water leaks down there. It's honestly sealed, but if you have, I think the M3 and M4s, I think this plate's obviously universal with other cars, but it depends on your trunk setup. It's much easier to wire it through than the way that I did it. This is the only way to make this work though, I think, at least when I did it. I have no intention of using this on the street. I'm not one to try to run from the cops. I don't even really street race at all or go to takeovers for that matter. I just thought it looked cool. It's cool for content and video purposes. I've literally only ever turned it on in like an empty parking lot or, you know, in my parking garage. It looks cool. It's like a normal plate cover, like a tinted cover, so it doesn't look like anything out of the ordinary. That's pretty much everything new. As for the interior, we got a dash cam, new dash cam from Vanshu. I like it. And my new traffic attorney, Bernard, keeps me safe, and a banana. Kind of hard to make long form content that entertaining in the wintertime here, but we got a special guest that I'm gonna probably shoot some short form clips with. And this is David, or Sparky M4. You can check him out below. I've done a lot of videos with him. 2019 M4 comp, carbon roof, carbon wing, and carbon diffuser. So it's in the individual speed yellow, spec'd with red interior, also known as the Ronald McDonald car. The comp seats are just so nice. But yeah, that's gonna be it for this video. Maybe in the next one I'll have the pure turbo to talk about, but until then, I'll see you guys next time.